Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this robotic vacuum mop. This is so nice because this will save so much time with the vacuum and the mopping, and I don't have to do it. So we'll open up the box and check it out. Now this can actually pair to your phone or device, and your Alexa has a remote. So there's so many different ways to control this. It does come with your instruction manual, and inside here, we've got the actual base machine of it right here. So this is its home base that it will return to that just plugs into a standard 110 outlet. And then on the top, you actually get several different vacuum cleaning bags. So that will hold you for quite a while with this extra. Then you have your one that's already installed in here. So you won't have to change this out very often. You have your remote. And then as we dig down in here a little bit more, we are gonna see the actual meat and potatoes of this guy. So this is the actual machine right here. This is the ILIFE V9. Now on the bottom, you have two little rotating brushes here, which they do give you two different replacement ones. You have the brushless suction mode right here. And then this is your mop pad, which you gotta clean that off. We can easily remove that, clean it up, and then Velcro it back on. Got your on and off button right here at the top. You can actually just download the ILIFE Home app and then be able to pair it with your device. So we're gonna go ahead and get this set up, and then I'm gonna take it down on the floors and we are gonna run this thing around. So now that we've got that all paired in, we then have it online and it shows you're online. And then we can control him from here. So we've got our recharge, our home, our start. You've got the remote control that you can use through here. And it has all of your schedules, your cleaning history, your suction powers. So you have 4 different suction powers. You have what's going on with your dust station. There's so many different things. You've got your smart cleaning or your auto mode. So we're gonna go put this thing to the test. So now I put my base with my vacuum together and you see the little orange light as it is charging up. But we are gonna go ahead and use the remote to get it started. And we've got our home button. You can actually control which way it goes. You can start and stop it. And then we have the 3 different functions that it will go. You can either go in a path or in a spot, or you can go on the edges of the room. So I'm gonna set it off to go in a path. And off it goes. You can see it all running really well. And it's now going to discover the room. It does have the little bumpers right on the front there, and then the mop that will be going off of the back. So it did auto detect that I have stairs there and just turned right around and did not get it. And it is picking up the stuff. Like I said, it's doing a nice job mopping it. Now if I did want to change the mode and I just wanted to pause it and tell it to return back home, I can then tell it, hit the little home button, and it is now going to find its home and work its way back to where it goes.